back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. So we're actually going to be riding dirt bikes. I got a brand new dirt bike. I wasn't able to use my husband's because it's just too tall for me and I get freaked out and I didn't like the way it felt. So he ended up buying me one, which was a little bit lower and it was still too high. So he got me another one, and hopefully this one's the right size. I kind of sat on it and I think it's gonna be perfect. Today's gonna be the first day that we get to actually test it out. So he's actually in the background. You can see him on the truck. He's getting his bike off. He's already gotten the rest of the bikes off, and the kids are here playing cornhole. Ooh, this looks good, guys.
Thanks.
Ready to play some cornhole?
Yeah. I call it
These are so hard to walk in. This is the helmet that I recently bought. I picked this one out. There we go. She's a beauty. So this one has the visor, unbreakable visor. These are my gloves. Gonna get these on and then I should be able to go take a ride. All right, so I'm all geared up, about to get ready on my bike and take her out for the first time. Woohoo! Biking for the day. We made a quick stop at West Shore to get the kids some pizza. It was really fun. We ended up going on the trails and I accidentally got on the expert trail, but I did really good. I was hoping to actually fall today to kind of get the fear out of the way of falling for the first time, but I didn't do that. So it was a really good day. I ended up doing the trail without falling, even though it was the expert trail that I didn't plan on getting on. But it was a really good time, so hopefully we'll be going out again next weekend and I'll take you guys along. Think about dirt biking today. Now that we stopped and I'm straightening my back, it's on fire, so I guess it's a really good workout. I'm gonna be losing a ton of weight with this, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we just got back from dirt biking. Everybody is eating pizza except for me because keto life. But I wanted to let you guys know what I'll be using next time when we hit the trails. I forgot to take it today. I didn't mount it onto my helmet, so that's why I wasn't able to take you guys on the trails with me. So I have this GoPro and I'm gonna be mounting it on the side of my helmet with this here. You can see it's kind of curved. So that's gonna be stuck on the side of my helmet here, and that way I can take you guys on the Bone Valley trails with me. I did get on the Expert this time. Like I said, I didn't mean to, but I think I'm gonna get back on it next time. So while everybody eats cheese pizza, since I'm keto, I'm gonna be having a grilled chicken, fajita chicken strip with rice cauliflower bowl.